This is an elevator at the Wood Street subway station, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Going up. Go to M. Here we are, M. Now let's go down to P. The door close button does not work. One more right up to M. Let's get a cat view. There's only 2 lights in here. I think that's just the shaft door, but not sure. So there's your phone. If you guys like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, Tennessee Elevators, here at the Wood Street subway station. Here we are at P. That'll be it.